Hey, what's happening, gang? My mail just got delivered along with this mystery box today, and since my AMC stock isn't doing anything right now, I thought I would take the time to try and shoot a video on it. Now, I'm not sure what to expect here. This box came in. It does have just my last name and my address on it, but it's obviously nothing I ordered. Came from someplace in Kentucky that I've never heard of. So now I am expecting something, but I don't know what to expect from the folks over at Rugcel. So if you'd see my last video on my winch, I'll link it up here. They have reached out to me. We've been emailing back and forth with customer service, and they are going to be sending me a new winch and some free gifts. So I'm wondering if this is a free gift. If it is, I kind of suspect what it might be, and I will enjoy it. But let's open this up and see what we got. Well, you guys see in there before I do. I'm thinking it feels like what I thought it might be. See if I can slide these out of here. And it is. So this is a set of traction boards. So for those of you who don't know anything about traction boards, you can use these to help get yourself out of the sand. They do all right in the mud also. I prefer being in the sand anyway. So they've got some ribs on here. They're textured in order to give you traction. And you can also flip them over and use them like a shovel to try and help dig yourself out. So big shout out to the folks at Rugcel. This does have their logo on it, so I'm going to assume it's from them. I appreciate the traction boards, I really do, and I look forward to working with you guys in the future. So I hope you guys liked this video. Catch you next time.